Hi guys, it's Sead. Welcome back to Warthog Defense. Russian just lost another general. And even though we've grown accustomed to Russian incompetence, the number of killed Russian generals is unprecedented in modern warfare, especially considering the size and the duration of the war in Ukraine. We have the story here and more about new strikes on Russian refineries.
Until now, it is not yet fully confirmed, but it seems like a high-ranking Russian general was killed during recent strikes in Belbek, occupied Crimea, which were reported by Warthog Defense. Russian telegram channels report that Alexander Taranenko, Russian lieutenant general, commander of the aviation squadron, has reportedly been killed in the strike on Belbek airfield in temporarily occupied Crimea. 2 missiles hit the command post of the 38th Fighter Aviation Regiment. Another missile attacked the airfield's communications center, the media reported. Reportedly, the armed forces of Ukraine launched cruise missiles along unexpected routes for the Russians. Most of them passed over the water surface of the Black Sea. According to Russian public accounts, 10 Russian military personnel were also liquidated in the strike. There are reports of a Ukrainian drone strike on the largest oil refinery in the southern federal district of Russia, Lukoil oil refinery in Volgograd. Massive fire engulfed the site of about 300 square meters. Lukoil Volgograd Neftoperirobotka, near Volgograd, is the largest producer of petroleum products in southern Russia. It is around 500 kilometers, 310 miles, away from the next Ukrainian army position. The capacity of the enterprise is 14.8 million tons of oil. Local authorities and Russian Defense Ministry have reported that 2 drones were intercepted. Ukrainian armed forces continue successful strikes deep inside Russia. The attrition of Russian high-value targets will be far more devastating when Ukraine significantly increases drone production. To stop Russia, just go after Putin's money. Ukraine is now averaging 1 destroyed Russian oil refinery or oil infrastructure target every 2 days. Ukraine's creativity and adaptivity in employing all sorts of drones deserve far more credit. A video appeared online showing dozens of coffins of Russian soldiers in Rostov-on-Don, prepared to be sent to different Russian towns. The 103rd Territorial Defense Brigade destroyed yet another Russian T-72B3. Putin said that modern Russian weapons are far more superior than NATO weapons. He held his chair tight while saying that.
Наша оборонка демонстрирует здесь очень хорошие и темпы, и качество работы. Конечно, если сравнивать современное натовское вооружение и вооружение последнего периода советского времени, там в чем-то оно и уступает. Кстати говоря, не всегда. Вот. А если брать наши новейшие вооружения, то они явно всех превосходят. Это очевидный факт. Я имею в виду и ракетную технику, и бронетехнику, и все, что применяется на поле боя.
Production of FPV drones by Ukrainian Toro Company. And there is no better military porn than dual launch of HIMARS systems. The place and the date are unknown. Officials with U.S. Central Command have stated that several A-10C Thunderbolt II Warthog close air support attack aircraft with the 354th Fighter Squadron from Davis-Monthan Air Force Base in Tucson, Arizona, have participated in tonight's airstrikes against the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps and Iranian-backed groups in Iraq and Syria.
I hope you liked this video. Stay with Warthog Defense with the best Ukrainian updates. Comment, like, subscribe, become our member, and stay strong.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.